Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the TextView in Android to quickly prepare some famous quote. For example, winners never quit and quitters never win, okay, by Vince Labadi, okay, according to the internet. All right, so what will it look like? Okay, so this is my text view, and then this is my emulator. So let me run it quickly. There you go. And it is loading right now. There you go. So you can see that I can drag the corner of the emulator to enlarge the screen. Then I can also change the orientation, get rotate to the left, and then I kept about okay, 8 dp for the left margin, and then 8 dp for the right margin. Okay, so let me rotate it back, and then on the top, okay, you can see that I uh, have 24, okay, dp is the margin. All right, so if this is the video, okay, you want to watch, okay, this is for you. Otherwise, please don't waste your time, okay, just watch something else. All right, okay, so let me close the app right now and create a brand new one, okay, from scratch. So let me close the project, and let me click start a new Android app, and let me just call it famous code. Yeah, famous code. Okay, and then next, okay, and then empty activity, next, and then finish. Okay, it will take a while for the Android Studio to load, okay, and prepare all the required files. Okay, so I might fast forward a little bit, okay, so I won't waste your time. Okay, yeah. All right, print it. Okay, so it is loaded. The first screen, okay, it displays is the Java source code, but since I'm not going to do any coding at all, so I'm going to click the activity underscore main.xml to switch to the layout file. Okay, so there you go. And in the meantime, I might reduce the workspace, okay, under the project, okay, folder over here. All right, so this is my code over here, okay, my layout file. And by default, okay, it put the text view, okay, one text view over there. Okay, you can see from the component tree over here, okay, is the text view with the default uh, text message, okay, hello world, okay, hello world, and it is centered, okay, it's centered, okay, horizontally and vertically. Okay, so again, let me run it, okay, to let you see what it might look like before I make any changes. So let me click run and then run application. And since my emulator is available already, okay, so I can just click OK. Again, okay, please be patient. My computer is about, I think, maybe 3 years old already. Okay, so it will take a while to load the application. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So it displayed, but then you can see that the font size is really, really small. Okay. So let me select the text view here. Okay. And then let me pull up the code. Okay. I'm going to use from the internet. Okay. So there you go. So this is the code I'm going to use. Okay. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Okay. By Vince Lombardi. Okay. Again, uh, that is the message from the internet. So I will just highlight it, Control C. Okay, since I'm using the Windows system, I'm going to copy it and let me minimize my browser. Okay, switch back to my text view, and then under the property text, okay, I'm going to select that one, and I'm going to use Control V to paste, okay, to paste the code, and then I'm going to click any blank area, okay, back to the layout, okay, desktop here, and then you can see that okay, the font size is still pretty small. So let me select the text view again, and then on the right hand side, okay, you can see there's a property called text size. Okay, if you don't see it, no big deal. Okay, just select that one and maybe play with this view or attribute. Okay, hyperlink over here, and then again you can click this icon over here to get it back on. Okay, the short one, and then the text size. Okay, as of now is 14. You can see it's 14 XP SP, so maybe I want to change to 35 SP scale pixel. Okay, there you go. So clean it. Okay, and then again I might want to center the content, so let me click the text alignment, okay, to center it, put in it, and then let me run it. Okay, let me run it for a sec. Okay, so again, okay, please be patient. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so next one, I'm going to show you how to move it up. Okay, how to move it up, and then keep some left margin, and then a left margin and right margin, okay, and then top margin as well. So let me grab this one, move it up, okay, and then get over the layout width. Okay, okay, I might select, okay, match constraint, and then now I can change my right margin to 8 dp. Okay, sorry, I might have to change the size a little bit. Okay, oh, my bad. Okay, just type 8 will be fine. Okay, and left hand side, okay, let me use the control over here. Okay, okay, so it's 8, and then this one over here, okay, again it's 8, and then on the top, let me click and then drag to the top. Okay, so it's 8, but then I might want to change to 32. Okay, there you go. So it automatically move down. Okay, 32 dp as well. And then if you want to check the contents, okay, in the XML setting, you can click the text tab over here. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you can see the content, but then I prefer to as of now I prefer to work on it under the design view. So let me click the design tab. Okay, and then again let me run it quickly, and then at the bottom of the status bar, okay, actually you can see the progress. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so far so good. However, usually the instructor would encourage you, okay, don't hard code the text content, okay, over this text property. So the easy way to do it is put it inside the so-called strings.xml file. So I'm going to quickly show you, okay, how to do that. Okay, so if you, okay, expand your, okay, project area, and then expand the resource folder, they call it res. Okay, you expand it by clicking this right hand, the triangle sign, point to the right, and then you can see there's another folder called values. You expand it one more time, then among the 3 files, okay, one of them is called strings.xml. Just click that one and then double click it to open the file, and basically, okay, it has many entries over here in the so-called name value pair. Okay, so if you want to create or key value pair, so if you want to create another entry, all you need to do is click the open editor. Okay, and then, okay, give me a minute, let me expand the size, okay, for the value field, and then you want to create a new key, just click plus sign, and then the key, okay, the key I will use, okay, the person's name here. Okay, Ben's Lombardi. Okay, so again let me Control C to copy it and then paste it. And for me, I prefer not to leave any spaces in between. And then for the value field, okay, again let me switch back, to the browser, and then let me, okay, copy everything here and switch back again, and then paste into the value field and click OK. There we go. So you can see that, okay, a new key with the name, okay, Ben's Lombardi is created, and also, okay, indicate where it's located, and then also the content, okay, or the value of corresponding to that key. All right, so now let me switch back to my layout file, and then let me select the text view. Okay, and then in the text, okay, property, okay, let me click the three dots, okay, button over here. Okay, there you go, and then you can see that, okay, uh, the key I just created a moment ago in the strings.xml file is available. So all I need to do is click on that one and click OK. So you can see that the text value field get changed to format like this. Means that I'm going to get a key with from the strings.xml file, and then whatever value set over there, I'm going to use it. So again, now I can quickly run it. Okay, I can quickly run it. So again, the Gradle, okay, is installing the app. So there you go. Okay, so this is the a simple code. Okay, using the TextView. Okay, I hope that this is useful to you. And let me stop the video. Okay, have a good day, everybody.